Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to record your laptop screen along with video and audio. So let's get started. You have to click the print screen key on your keyboard. A banner will appear at the top of your screen. Now click on the camera icon to start recording. Now you just have to select the area you want to record and then click the start button. This will start recording your laptop screen. And if you want your voice should be added, just turn on the microphone and your audio should be recorded along with your video. So once you're done with recording your screen, just click on the red button and this will stop your recording. Now this directly saves to your file explorer. Check your video, check your voice, and keep your background noise minimal for the best result. And that's it. Now you know how to record laptop screen with video and audio using both together. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.